out the hole. And then we got stuff like this.
I am Optimus Prime. Transformers, robots in disguise, misery. Autobots, transform and roll out. Bumblebee.
How many Wu-Tang fans are here tonight? Yeah. I want you guys to make some noise for Wu-Tang right now. When I say Wu, you say Tang. Wu! Wu! Alright. I want these fellas to turn up just a little for this one. Are you ready for some rock and roll?
Squash God wins. Flawless victory. Louder animality.
Thanks for your time, ladies and gentlemen. I go by Scratch Cat. And, yeah. I'm done.
All right, yo. Scratch Cat, everybody. Did he rock the mic or what?